Hi, my name is Julian Maturino of Salvador Alane Studios, and today we're going to be making our low-tide whiskey glass. First off, we're going to gather some of our glass out of our furnace, shaping the glass, and then we're going to inflate by adding some air pressure and capping the pipe, causing the bubble to start. Our low-tide whiskey glass has a unique gather line in the middle of the piece that creates a unique feel for each glass. And in order to do this, we gather by going back into the furnace again and apply glass to just the bottom half. A lot of people would ask me what my goals and aspirations were, and honestly, it was never to be like the best glassblower or the hugest, most famous artist. It was always just, I was searching for this feeling of being content, sometimes making just these simple little objects, but crafting them with so much intent and care is really fulfilling and fun for me. And here's our finished low-tide whiskey glass.